have a good one, over. Yeah.
T315 for hold right. And if I hold right from dispatch, this guy gonna stop at Point of Rocks. Because if I understand correctly from the dispatch, T415 broke down. I don't know all the details. So, oh well, I'm not gonna miss him. Oh well. And if I understand correctly, NS227 got the 1072, so I'm gonna go up there trying to catch it if he does have it. I'm 50-50 on that. Yeah, he's moving. And you can tell it is raining.
T315-21 is westbound. Number 2 track. Clear, South WBC 651.
T315-21. 5 base. So there's 2 westbounds up by Buck Lodge. I'm probably gonna, you know what? 135 is probably downhill. Because he got 5 engines, but since I'm going to Shen, he's probably gonna drop off about 2 or 3 of them. 2 or 3, I don't know. Hill. So, who knows? I was planning to stay here until about 2 or 3 o'clock, but now I'm planning to go to Sun. Because I have 227. But before I go up, I gotta use the bathroom first. Hey. Oh, excuse me. Before I go up to the Shen, I gotta make sure I get before I go to Shen, I gotta make sure I get the go-go juice. I'm almost at a quarter of a tank. Oh, sorry. I got the juice. 73 degrees. Yeah, I do have the AC on. gosh. Hey, what the? I got helpers on them. Huh, nope, didn't expect that. Looks like another coal drag, empty one left down now. Almost like a walk on them. Empty. Can't tell.
Alright there, 80, we're in the clear, okay, take that when you're ready.
Yeah, look at that, there's an empty ballast. Alright.
Number 1 track, clear. North WV, departing Brunswick.
Since I'm going on that side anyway, so.
315, 2 seconds, 30.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5 multis and 2. Oh, single. Yeah, that one's 72. Nice. Love to see the old Jeeps. Alright, see you guys. Meet me in the next one.